Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create MoneyGram account. Firstly, to do so, go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.moneygram.com and press enter. This will take you to the website. MoneyGram is a global provider of money transfer and payment services, allowing individuals to send and receive money across borders quickly and securely. MoneyGram serves as a reliable and accessible option for individuals seeking to send or receive money internationally. Then, you will have to choose your region. Once you choose your region, then you will have to enter your country or territory as well. Once you choose your country or territory, then you will have to choose the language you prefer. Here, I'm choosing English for now. Then, you will have to click on the Submit button. Once this loads, another page opens up. Here, you will have to click on the Sign Up button between Login and Help to register or create an account. A small tab opens up, then you will have to enter your details. Here, you will have to enter your email address first, then your password. Then on the third text tab, you will have to re-enter your password to confirm it. Once you do so, you may click on the squares if you agree to receive text messages about offers and promotions. And also if you agree to receive emails about offers and promotions. However, if you've already had an account before, you may click on the login link below the next button. Once you filled in all your details, then you will have to enter your mobile number. Once you fill in everything, then you may click on the next button in red. Now you will have to enter more little information about yourself, like your legal first name, a middle name if you have one, your legal last name, or your second last name if you have one. Then you will have to enter your country of birth. Once you enter your country of birth, you will have to enter the date of birth. Once you do that as well, you will have to enter your address. Your address 1, which is your street address, and then your address line 2, which is optional. Once you add those, then you will have to add your city, which may also be automatically added once you add your street address. Then lastly, you will have to enter your zip code. Once you add your zip code, then you may click on the next button in red. Once you do that, you may choose where you want to be notified about MoneyGram. You may choose your email, your text, or both. You may then click on the box below to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy notice of MoneyGram. Once you do that, then you may click on Yes, Sign Up to proceed. Furthermore, here you will have to enter your IDs, like your passport, your driving license, your national identity card, which is also known as a citizenship, and lastly, your residence permit. Once you enter all of these in, then you will have successfully created an account in MoneyGram. If you find this video helpful, you may like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.